Adrienne Schmidt suffered from neck pain for years, and Dr. John Metters is the doctor who finally gave her some relief. We're going to talk about that relief in just a minute, because that's really the end of the story that we want to focus on. But take us back. When did you start experiencing pain? It was neck pain, correct?
Neck and back pain, actually. It was from a car accident. My family and I were hit by a truck. And I remember when we were in the accident, I kind of turned, so my whole body was twisted to one side. And he explained to me how much more damage that does when you actually turn like that. But I found him on the internet, and I came in for my back, and he asked me about neck pain. Are you having any headaches? And I guess I didn't really associate the two. I didn't make the connection that that's why I was having headaches all the time, because no one had asked me about my neck.
And how bad was the pain, the headaches, the back pain? You were pretty miserable for a while.
Yeah, it was, I couldn't bend over to wash my face or brush my teeth, and sleeping was pretty impossible. The headaches were pretty debilitating. I couldn't function. I'm a mom. I've got 3 kids, so that was really important to kind of get back on track. And
Adrienne's situation may be a little out of the normal, Dr. Metters, just with the car accident, but many people can relate to the neck pain, the back pain. How common are headaches, though, associated with that pain?
Many people have headaches, and it's very common. Especially people will suffer for many, many years with headaches, and it's something that's very easy for us to take care of.
And you mentioned she mentioned the twisting in the car accident. How did that contribute to the pain she was experiencing?
Generally what happens when you're moving your body and you turn and look to one side or the other, it tightens up certain muscle groups, and those muscle groups are more apt to be damaged and more severely than the ones that are relaxed, and that's why that occurs.
How did you treat this? What did you do?
Basically, as you know, we have the real high-end lasers that we use for tissue damage and for healing of various tissues. And basically what happens is we use that laser to help accelerate the healing process of the cells. So we can take any type of damage from a herniated bulge disc, different conditions like sciatica, spinal stenosis, failed back surgeries. Many people have surgeries that go wrong, and they don't get the relief that they're looking for. So we treat those people. Arthritic conditions is another big one that we see all day long in the office.
And when you talk about treatment in Adrienne's particular situation, if we can use that as an example, how long is this treatment process?
The typical patient is about 25 visits. We see about 3 times a week. And we put you through a series of decompression visits if you have an actual disc problem. And then we treat you with the laser and a number of other modalities that help the healing process.
So a number of different procedures and help goes into the actual overall treatment.
Correct.
Of the problem. And let's talk about the solution. How are you feeling?
I feel amazing. It took me 12 visits. I was completely pain-free. And I actually remember waking up one morning and kind of stumbling through my bedroom, and I thought, I don't hurt. And I kept asking myself, am I just talking myself into this? Is this really happening? But I just feel amazing. In fact, I remember one day I was on treatment, and he came over to ask me how I was doing, and I said, oh, I'm running, and he's like, no, don't do that yet. But I felt so good. I was able to kind of get my life back.
Well before the estimated 25 treatments, you were feeling great and up and moving.
Yeah.
So great. Glad to hear you found relief. When people have questions or they can relate to this story or the pain that Adrienne experienced, how do they get a hold of you?
They can go to our website at Utah Spine and Disc. They can see other testimonials and other patients that we've treated. We also have a special offer. Now, we know many people are skeptical about somebody helping them because they've been to many doctors and never received any relief. So we offer 2 free visits to every patient that would like to come in, and they can take us for a test drive and see for themselves exactly what it feels like.
All right, Dr. Metters, thank you so much. And Adrienne, so glad you're feeling better. Thanks for sharing your story.